Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta, past evangelist, and today I'm going to show you how to make red pesto, called also sun-dried tomato pesto. So ragazzi, let's start with ingredient. Today we are going to use sun-dried tomatoes, almond, which I have toasted for a few minutes, just to get the color, basil, garlic, parmesan, extra virgin olive oil, and then to taste a little bit of salt and pepper. So let's start to make the red pesto. We start with the almond, which I have slightly toasted, and just to get more flavor. And the garlic, I'm going to also make it easy and chop it in four, so it's easy for me to blend with the almond. And go for it. And the almond with the garlic is now ready. Just to make it easy, because today we use the pestle and mortar, I just wanted to leave aside and then moving to the sun-dried tomato. So it's going to be easy for you to mix the rest of the ingredient. So as you can see, we have reduced in a kind of powder, and it's very paste, the two ingredients, the almond and the garlic. Now you can start with the sun-dried tomatoes. And don't worry if there is a little bit of extra oil coming from the sun-dried tomato. It's going to be easy for you to mix all together if there is a little bit of extra oil. And we can start also to mix the sun-dried tomato, and then slowly we continue to add the remaining ingredient. So, and now let's go for a nice handful of basil. Roughly chop with your hand, don't worry about it. It's going to be mixed all together with tomatoes. So guys, we have mixed the basil with the sun-dried tomato. Now we can add all the remaining ingredients. I have the almonds and garlic. Then a little bit of parmesan. I have already grated the parmesan. And we can go for extra virgin olive oil. Add it slowly. If it's too dry, you can always add more. And of course, don't forget a pinch of salt and also a little bit of black pepper. And now you have to simply mix all together. You can continue to do with the pestle, or you can simply get the spoon. You mix all again, and until all the ingredients are nice and combined together. I'm going to clean. And now I will add just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to make it a little bit more smooth, and the pesto is ready. Ragazzi, the red pesto is now ready. I'm going to simply plate, and it can be stored in the fridge. Make sure that the top of the pesto has always a little bit of olive oil, so it will help you to conserve the pesto for a few days in the fridge. If you want it to use straight away, you can pair any simple pasta. I love orecchiette, and buon appetito. If you like the pesto, don't forget to leave a comment, let me know what other recipe you wanted to learn, and subscribe to the channel.